World and Olympic long jump silver medalist Wayne Pinnock has described his pending switch of allegiance to Turkey as a life-changing experience. Speaking on the matter for the first time since the story broke that he, along with triple jumper Jaden Hibbert, Olympic shot put bronze medalist Rajendra Campbell, and Olympic discus champion Roger Stoner were in the process of switching their nationality to Turkey, Pinnock seemingly ruled out all major championships before the 2028 Olympics.
Well, the main preparation, honestly, is for the Olympics. You know, getting that Olympic medal means a lot. You know, so I mean, it's a life-changing opportunity for me, and I decided to, you know, take it. And probably, you know, God showing me a way out, and I just believe in Him and have faith and just trust myself.
Pinnock was speaking after winning the men's long jump at the London Diamond League meet on Saturday with a mark of 8.20 meters, finishing ahead of world and Olympic champion Miltiades Tentoglu 8.19 meters and the national champion Kerry McLeod 8.10 meters.
It's been a really tough season for me, and you know, I just been praying and came out here today. I had the mindset of just staying focused and executing, and that's just what I did today. And you know, as I said, I just gotta thank God.
2019 world champion Tajay Gale, who missed the national championships due to injury, was listed for Saturday's meet but did not compete.